Hello everyone. In this video, we will study about drilling machine. So drilling machine is one of the simplest, moderate and accurate machine tool. So it is considered as a single purpose machine tool since its chief function is to make hole. However, it can perform operations other than drilling also. In a drilling machine, holes may be drilled quickly and at low cost, and the hole is generated by the rotating edge of a cutting tool known as drill, which exerts large force on the work clamped on the table. So drilling is a process of making a hole by forcing a rotating tool called drill. And the same operation can be accomplished by using some other machine. For example, in case of a lathe, the drill is held in the tailstock and the work is held and rotated by a chuck. In case of a drilling machine, the work is held stationary and the cutting tool, the drill, is rotating. So next is the different types of drilling machine. So drilling machines are classified according to the construction and the work performed. So first one is portable drilling machine, second one sensitive drilling machine, then upright drilling machine, radial drilling machine, then gang drilling machine, turret drilling machine, multi-spindle drilling machine and deep hole drilling machine. So first one, portable drilling machine. So portable drilling machine is a small compact drilling machine used for drilling operations, and the best example is a hand drill. And this is equipped with small electric motor which gives power, and the motor is usually universal type which may be driven by both AC and DC, and the maximum size of the drill it can accommodate is 12 to 18 mm, and the machine is operated at high speed as smaller size drills are used. So here you can see the figure. A drill is used to remove material from the workpiece. So second one is sensitive drilling machine. So sensitive drilling machine is a small machine designed for drilling small holes at high speeds in light jobs. So the base of the machine may be mounted on a bench or on the floor, and it consists of a horizontal table, then a vertical column, then a head supporting the motor and a driving mechanism, then a vertical spindle. So this vertical spindle is used for driving and rotating the drill. So here there is no arrangement for any automatic feed of the drill spindle. So the drill is fed into the work by purely hand control, and the hand feed permits the operator to feel or sense the progress of the drill into the work. So as the operator senses the cutting action at any instant, it is called sensitive drilling machine. Now the third one is upright drilling machine. So the upright drilling machine is designed for handling medium sized workpieces. So in construction, this upright drilling machine is very similar to sensitive drilling machine, but larger and heavier than a sensitive drilling machine. And this upright drilling machine is supplied with power feed arrangement, and there are a large number of spindle speeds and feeds are available, and the table have different types of adjustments. And this there are two general classes of upright drilling machine. First one is round column section and the second one is box column section. So here we have a base, then a vertical column, and on the head you have electric motor and the feed mechanism. So then you have a spindle, and on the column we can move the table vertically. So the power is being transmitted from the motor to the feed mechanism with the help of this belt. So this is how a upright drilling machine works. Now the fourth one is radial drilling machine. So it is the largest and most versatile machine and suited for drilling large number of holes, and it is intended for drilling medium to large and heavy workpieces. So the machine consists of a heavy round vertical column mounted on a large base, and the column supports radial arm. So this is the radial arm, which can be raised and lowered to accommodate the workpieces of different heights. So this radial arm can be moved vertically. The arm may be swung around to any position over the workbench. So this radial arm can be swung around the workbench, and the drill head containing mechanism for rotating and feeding the drill is mounted on the radial arm. So this is the drill head. So this drill head can be moved horizontally along the guideways provided on the radial arm. So we have vertical motion for the radial arm. Then the radial arm can be swung around over the workbench. Then the drill head can be moved along the guideways provided on the radial arm. So these three movements in a radial drilling machine, when combined together, permit the drill to be located at any desired point on a large workpiece for drilling the hole. So this vertical motion, this swinging, and this horizontal motion. So when several holes are drilled on a large workpiece, the position of the arm and the drill head is altered so that the drill spindle may be moved from one position to the other after drilling the hole without altering the setting of the work. So we have plain radial drilling machine, semi-universal machine, and universal machine. In plain radial drilling machine, it has provisions for vertical adjustment of the arm, horizontal movement of the drill head along the arm, and circular movement of the arm in horizontal plane above the vertical column. So we have three movements. In semi-universal machine, in addition to these three movements, the drill head can be swung about a horizontal axis perpendicular to the arm. And this fourth movement of the drill head permits the drilling hole at an angle to the horizontal plane other than the normal position. And in case of universal machine, we have 5 movements. That is, the arm holding the drill head may be rotated on a horizontal axis. So this drill head can be rotated. So the next one is gang drilling machine. So when A number of single spindle drilling machine columns are placed side by side on a common base and on a common work table. The machine is known as gang drilling machine. So two or more drill heads are mounted on the same table, and these spindles can be run either simultaneously or in sequence, and each spindle can be independently set for different speeds and depth. So this is useful when a workpiece is to have several operations to be performed. So in a gang drilling machine, 4 to 6 spindles may be mounted side by side, and this type of machine is specially adapted for production work. So next one is the turret drilling machine. So this machine has a turret which houses various tools such as drill, counterbore, tap, etc. And the various spindles on this indexing turret can be indexed manually or automatically, and the spindles cannot be driven until they come to the drilling position. So here you can see a turret and different tools can be housed on this turret. So next one is multi-spindle drilling machine. So the function of a multi-spindle drilling machine is to drill a number of holes in a workpiece simultaneously and to reproduce the same pattern of holes in a number of identical pieces in a mass production work. And there are several spindles driven by a single motor. So here you can see a single motor is driving 3 spindles. So the last one is deep hole drilling machine. So deep hole drilling machine is used when drilling holes whose length exceeds 3 times the drill size. Example, rifle barrels, long spindles, connecting rods, etc. And it can be vertical or horizontal type, or single spindle or multi-spindle. So these are the different types of drilling machine.